Hello everyone, I'm back. All right, so here we go. This is the link for our math lesson today. We're going to go ahead and do Unit 1, which is what you can see on my screen. I have given that to you on the printouts. I'm just going to ask you to take it out and follow along. Just to be clear, one thing that you do not have to take a picture and send this to me. All I want you to do is for your child to follow along with me and do it with me. If I ever need you to turn anything in or to send a picture and take a picture and send it to me, then I'll let you know what that is. Okay? Other than that, you don't need to take a picture of everything they do and send it to me. No. Only what I ask you to send to me, then I will ask you to do that. Okay, so this one, go ahead and ask your students to take it out. Unit 1, we're going over numbers and operations, place value, fraction concepts, and addition. Okay, so let's start here. Excuse me, let's start here with where this number 1 is. It says write, oops, let me zoom out. Okay, it says write the number that tells how many. So this is called a tens frame. In the tens frame, we have these little dots that represent the number. So in this tens frame, there are 10 dots in this tens frame. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the top, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5 more on the bottom. 5 plus 5 makes 10. So there's 10, 20, 21, 22. Okay, so there's 22 here. So I need you to go ahead and write 22. Awesome. All right, now let's go on and count by ones to 100. I want you to count with me, okay? All right, okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. Whew, I'm out of breath. Okay. Count from 36 to 47. I know that's what that said, but I thought since today's the first day of school, we should just review from 1 to 100. Anyway, which of the numbers below will you say? So circle the numbers between 36 and 47. Which numbers exactly? They asked for 42, so we're going to find 42. We're going to circle it. He says 31. Circle that. 48. And so we did 42. We did 31. We did 48, 39, circled that, and then 37, circled that. Awesome. Let's go on. Explore tens. Write how many tens, write the number. So let's see, these are called tens blocks. These tens blocks are called tens blocks because there are 10 ones in each block. So in each stick, there's 10 ones. So if we look at it really closely, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 ones in this 10 stick. So anytime you see a stick like this is called a 10 stick. So there are how many 10 sticks? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, but there are 4 tens. So we're going to write 4 tens, and 4 tens is the same as 40. It's the same as 40. 40 right there. Okay, so here, how many 10 sticks do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 10 sticks. So we're going to write the number 6. And 6 10 sticks is the same as how many ones? Well, let's see. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 6 10s is the same as 60 ones. Okay, that looks like a B, but that's the best it's going to get right now. All right. Anyway, all right, let's go to the back. Visualize it. Fill in the boxes of the graphic organizer. Write sentences about ones and tens. So ones, how do ones look? Are they sticks, or are they big squares, or are they cubes, or are they just one small square? Ones look like this. They're the small squares. Tens are the long rectangular sticks, and they normally have 10 lines in it. So I guess we're just going to draw the way they look, okay? I know it says write a sentence, but to me, math is a lot more of seeing than reading, okay? And then we can write one sentence. So writing a sentence about ones, we can say 10 ones is the same as 110, right? So 10 ones is the same as 110. Ooh, that's hard to write with a mouse. Period. Okay, that's okay. All right, and then we have tens. So they want us to write a sentence using the words tens. So maybe we can write 10 tens is the same as what? Well, let's see. If I have 10 tens, let's say each of one of my fingers are a 10 stick. If I have 10 tens, it's the same as what? Let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10 tens is the same as 100. So we can write that. Let's see. 10 tens is the same as, I think I'm going to write cursive because it's much faster, as 100. All right, exclamation point. All right, we are almost done. Let me move my face. There we go, so you can see the other side. All right, circle the addition sentence. The addition, that means the sign is plus. So is 3 plus 6 9? Is that an addition sentence, or is 9 minus 6 3? The one with the plus sign is obviously the addition sentence, right? Circle the subtraction sentence. 8 plus 2 equals 10, or 10 minus 2 equals 8. 10 minus 2 equals 8. This is the subtraction sign. So let's circle that. Subtraction, and underline the word subtraction. Underline the word addition, and circle the plus sign. Circle that count on fact. So the count on means you're adding 1. So if I count on from 4, then I'll say 5, 6, 7, 8. If I say count back, then you're counting back 1, then you're taking away 1. So count on means adding 1. So which one shows adding? 4 plus 1 equals 5, because you're counting on. You keep on going. If I say count back from 5, then you're say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that means you're taking away. So 8 minus 2 equals 6, and that means we are counting back because you are taking away. All right, that's it. That's all we're doing today for our math lesson. Do not start finding tens yet. We will do that one tomorrow. I don't want to drill you too hard on the first day. So if you have any questions, please go ahead and ask. I'm here for you. Bye. See you later.